Good morning. Let's see. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday, and so even when my first intention was to do one of these every function, one day this function, and for example, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday. But I decided to give it a shot to the three at the same time because it's weekend and you know probably people I know no one is here, but in the case there was some audience and people is more probably more willing to join. I don't know. And also I was taking a look at my channel and I was seeing that this video which is a video recorded. It is it has 50 views, and so I'm not sure if you prefer these recorded videos, short videos, I must say 10 minutes recorded instead of live sessions like this. Uh, I don't know. Maybe it's another factor. I don't know. But yeah, so let's close this. And we are still live. So let's get started with flatMap. If you remember, for the option type, we implemented flatMap in terms of map and get or else. In here, we don't have get or else, so I am using pattern matching instead. We can implement get or else, but it is not here. Uh, if this was like a job environment setup, you can propose get or else, or stick with the business requirements. It is always good to propose new things. And here it is our URL starting point. Now we have one because we did this setup yesterday. Okay, so that's not math. We can copy paste the function type signature to avoid this typing. It is a good thing to type the type signature, you know. And there are some notes on the variance annotation over here to be a super type, you know, similar to or else. Okay. And I don't think copy pasting saves us too much time, just like 30 seconds, but it's all right. Now, now we can implement the function. We always spend a lot of time at the beginning. I'm not sure how to put the content, put the content at the beginning, and, you know. And yeah, this is match. We don't want. Let's choose this because it is offering us an exhaustive matching over our type, and it's telling us that there are two cases, which is great. What it will be, what this suggestion will do, I haven't used it, you know. Probably these guys in the Scala Center will transform this Scala into a full flow IDE. That would be great, with a lot of files, projects over here. And well, hopefully they keep it simple like this, but at the same time adding more features, but retaining the simplicity of in the design. Oh, here's the feedback, so we can say, hey, you can do this, and some suggestions if we have it. I don't have it. And we have the things generated for us, but again, this was messed up. Okay, the spaces and indentation. Okay, so yeah, left value for a flat map. Uh, we need an iter of which we need to change to our data type. My iter EEB, my iter EEB. So we need this, and we have this function. So it is cool, to apply the function to the value. And in here I will change name to error or information probably, and say left error, and yeah, that will do it. These are related to the super type. I don't know if not these things. I know it says something about the types, right? We are reading about, but okay, right. Yeah, these things. It was iterated by the. As you see, I hit enter. But, besides of the spaces, it did this for us. So, and we didn't pay any attention. We just fill out the values. But now we apply the function to the right, and if it is the left, we propagate the thing. And now we have a working, worksheet again. It is great. And the order in which it generates the cases, it's cool. It's left, right, We are just because we are humans, we are, we get to decide that we want right first, but it is totally cool to have left first too. Now, permits, what's next? It's orElse. Again, I am copy pasting this. Over here. Mm, okay, changing my either to my either, and again we can't use pattern matching. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you remember, you saw that I showed you my YouTube channel to for you to see that the recorded video has more views than these live sessions. Probably because people doesn't click in the live tag, you know, in the channel. They don't know that there are content over there. I don't know. I'm not sure. Or maybe these videos are too long, you know, an hour and a half the other day for Traverse. So, and I also took a look at the live session I have made and we have made, and I see or else it's the same pattern, or else doesn't um, require or get or else, you know, it is implemented with map, so we can give it a try. This map and say right, you know, we can expand this function in this way. But if you remember that exercise, at some point after some other exercise, at the end of this section, we took a look at the answer and saw that they have this concise notation with the underscore, and it was cool. Let us see if this works. It doesn't. Required V or else. A is a type in my answer with bounds. What's this? It has two types variables over here. My feature or else. Oh yeah. If yeah, we will use pattern matching in here too, because uh you know they are sending us this B in the case that the let us see if we are live. Yeah. In the case that uh, if we have an error or a left case in this, uh, we need to return this B, right? And if it doesn't, mm, we need to return this function. This my either. Let us see with pattern matching and then uh, try again with map. But at this point, let's use pattern matching. This match again. I will left this way, but we need to be consistent. So let's put right over here and let's put left over here. That's all. And if we have a right case, put it on this. And yeah, I'm trying to see how this can be transformed to a map. I don't know. Let's see if it works this way. Probably the spaces. Yeah, I'm not generating this automatically anymore. It's too much. The same thing over and over. Okay, we have another working. The thing is good again, and let us think for a while about this. If we can do the map, I don't think so, because and probably that's why they didn't invite us to do it in terms of the other functions. This will be an exception, you know. This, of course, will need a flat map, but because um, I'm still not sure about this. If if my Aether has if my Aether is a right value, then we return the value. With a map, we can do that. But if it is a left value, we can't just uh, give the left because now we have information, but we can use an if we really want to use a map. This is okay, right? This pattern matching, nothing wrong with this. But if we want to really use a map, yeah, we need to check on it unless we see our prior some video. Yeah, we can do that. This is a live show. But since we are consuming time, 19 minutes, let's first tackle this last one. This is a big one. In terms of type signature, then kind of exercise this little piece of code if we are able to do it. Remember the other day with the functions. And we need to paste the thing over here. My Aether, I'm gonna return here my Aether. No more my Aether. Okay, now we are able to think we are going to try with flatMap and map, and if that doesn't work, then we are using pattern matching, no problem. So this flatMap, yes, I want that. How can we call this? This value, TB? No, because we have that value too. So first value, we want value, value one. Value one. First parameter for the function. Yeah, let's use parent one so we can see how they interact at the end. Parent one. Now that map parent two, and then apply if to parent one and parent two. Let's separate things over here. And they are F applied to A and B. Yeah, parent one, parent two. It will give us a C, and we need my ether of EE and C. Now this function can't fail because at least it is not signaled in the type. Of course, it can fail. Everything can fail. So we put this right. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's counting parentheses. This should do it. Hopefully. And we didn't get it. Try on my ether right and nothing C. Requires C parent one. What's this? Time flies. Okay. For my playground, yeah, either price nothing C. Why? Required C. Let us dissect this with pattern matching and then see what can we fix over here, because this is too much at first sight. Let us see what's happening, and then we will try this. Don't worry. So we have this match. No more automatic stuff. Let's copy paste this. And left error. If we have case right, then we can perform another match. That match. Copy paste. And left error. Left error. Now right value, and one, parent one, and two, and now we have set to parent one, parent two. Now we can apply f to a and b, and if we left this thing as it is, it will complain about returning C instead of my A to C. I want to see that error. Found C required my A to E. C. I don't EE is a type method. Two with bounds. E. Okay. Probably we will get into same. I haven't seen this. But let's apply right because what's happening? Okay, let's change this. Okay, 56. Okay, this it like it this pattern matching. Set the time, half an hour. Now how can we transform this series, which is totally okay? Nothing wrong with this code. But to think a little bit, we are thinking over here too, right? I don't want to suggest that we are not thinking here. But if we want to uh, invest some time in about flatMap and map and this expression, we can do that. Let's finish this. Let's try this, and then see if we can spend a little bit more time. Oh my god. Now we are over down below here. And we have this F, H. Let me augment the brightness. I always have the brightness in the house value. Okay, for tickets. Okay, we have 30 minutes. Let's see. Yeah. Now we can call this function. Parse initial rate with T. Well, let's use 7 from here T. Okay, my either. More levels. Put this thing over here. Also, number of tickets. Not found number of speeding tickets. Here it is. It's a parameter. Um, Maybe another insurance rate quote. Okay, it's not finding this. Where is this function? Maybe I am inventing these functions, but probably in the book, but we don't have it. Well, at least we don't see it quite over. If you remember map 2 from the option section, probably the function was there. If we want to do that, first inst, look at this partition array over here. Okay. It's not over here. No, it isn't. I can see the right at this moment. So I'm inventing the function. It is like it is for us to see the how we can use flatMap. Sorry, for notation with flat, which is a syntactic sugar for comprehension, because syntactic sugar, yeah, for calls to flatMap and map. So yeah, 33 minutes. So we are just multiplying insurance paid rows. Quote. We got rid of this error. Not found number of speeding tickets. Number, but it is a parameter over here. Number of, unless there is a, like a typo. They are missing the T. Tickets. Yeah. Number of speeding tickets. Number of speeding tickets. 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 Maybe we can tell the author about this too. We have two. We have spotted two. Okay, now the thing is happy again. But we have an error, because T. Like 56. This. I don't know why it's a double. Double, yeah. Yes. Now I am thinking this is maybe we can use this for comprehension because uh, we have just read that can map to be written with for comprehensions? That's a good question because we were seeing this nothing and see. Okay, we have this map too, which is great. So let us first. I want to see the error again. You see, we have this flatMap parent two. We can probably exercise this. This will be great, you know. This flatMap parent one. And so I think we apply the function like f. Yeah, but I want to see the error. Parent one A. Parent parent two. Yeah, we are. We will be doing two things. This is great because map by itself is returning on my iter. You see? So at some point in these sessions, I just got nervous. I don't know. This this is great. So map itself is returning on my iter on its own, and that's what the error is saying. And it's required thing. This is amazing. Now it should work. And it does. So we have our pattern matching. Friend, it's always good to have it. To see the things dissected, opening up for you. If you can see it right away with this the error, what we needed it was like a little detour so we can like going outside, going back again. 40 minutes. Now that we also have this flatMap and map and we have exercised it, let's try this syntactic sugar. Well, I don't know how uh, how that how how can we do that because we will have a little bit ill still. Maybe this is an exercise for the reader. Sorry. For a minute, I think we need I am finishing this. We take too long. It was great for me amazing, and hopefully you're getting someone from this too. Uh, if you're seeing this in the future, I don't think so because Supposing learning will be very different from years from now. Yeah. Okay. So, um, let's give it a try. And probably this should be another video, recorded video in which entitled converting flat map and map to a four comprehension expression, and people will, click click a little bit more to that video. It's not my intention for the people to be clicking the video, but I am wondering why that's the case. If you don't like live sessions, or maybe these are too long live sessions, or you want, I don't know, but let's do it both ways. I'm going to do it here live, but also I will record a video with this conversion. Okay, but there we go. Habla recio, no importa. ¿Eh? Okay. Uh, well, we have to get some lunch. I have just been told that I need to go and buy tortilla in Mexico. So it is great. Thanks to my family. And what else? Yeah, this will be like a recorded video for the channel, and see how people click on that. But I want to do it very quickly before going to buy tortilla. If it doesn't work, that's okay. That's okay too. We have our two working solutions. So one and one, so you can see the relation. It's coming from this, and parent two coming from that, and we are yielding f of parent one, parent two, and hopefully this will work. Tell me it works. Let me change this to another number. This is not the right way to test stuff, but yeah, it worked. This and that. This is great. But I will record a video with this conversion, so we can gather more information about people clicking on videos, and whether you like the most recorded videos, short videos, or long live coding sessions. Thank you very much. I'm going to erase this so people. Well, we will mention this. I like honesty and transparency. I will say this was performed in the live session, but I'm extracting the stuff for you, so you can avoid spending 1 hour with me. Okay, and we are leaving with this working right. This is great. We have some seconds before -45. Thank you very much. It is Saturday noon, midday. Happy weekend. Probably tomorrow we will be doing traverse and sequence. I saw them over here. Yeah, sequence traverse tomorrow. It will be fun and hopefully not challenging. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a good one.